Meet Accio Work Plugins, the shortcut for an agent to gain instant expertise and all the tools needed to get a job done. A plugin is a ready-made toolkit built around a specific app or business needs. Each one bundles together exclusive skills, connectors, and relevant instructions to make the task execution professional and seamless. With plugins, everything you need for a task is in one place, so you don't need to hunt down tools one by one. Besides, by enabling multiple plugins, your workflow will become more streamlined and cohesive, delivering a professional automation experience like never before. Using plugins is simple. First, head to the plugin channel and hit the plus icon to install it and connect your account. Then, navigate to the new message page and click the plugin icon in the task box to activate them whenever needed. For even more efficiency, you can preset these plugins as defaults in the agent settings. Either way, you retain the control and flexibility to call any into action at any moment. That's it, and your agent just got a whole lot more powerful. We're rapidly scaling our plugin ecosystem from e-commerce and social media to project management and beyond. Our goal is simple: to provide specialized plugins for every business task you tackle. Don't just work, work smarter. Explore Accio Work Plugins to level up the agent's performance today.